Okay, so I gave him the watermelon rind and he's having a hard time keeping it inside his mouth. He still likes it, but he kept losing it. And he had to pick it up again. Is it good, baby? You want more? Okay, I'll give you a smaller one, okay? Here you go, baby. Alright. Let's hope that that one's a little bit easier to chew since it's a smaller piece. Hi, baby. Okay, let's, oh, you want another one? Here you go, baby. Here you go, baby. Good? It's good, right? Okay, how about another one? Ow! You almost bit my finger. Ready? Ready for another one? This is a bigger one, so be careful. Okay, there you go. Good. Good, baby boy. Can you handle that big one?